everyone, this is April with Flowers from the Foss family. We garden in zone 4A here in northern Minnesota, and last night we planted out a few snapdragons, and then the next day we started planting out foxgloves and some bunnytail grass, along with one Coleus, I believe, and just a little tour of how it looked after we did that last night, and then some videos of Matt planting the rest of the things out. This is just a boring green one too. We're gonna plant out these foxgloves. Well, yeah, these ones I didn't even need a shovel. There's two more right there. And then earlier today I planted 1, 2, 3 black-eyed Susans and 1 coneflower. So it says that these are good companion plants together, so that's why I did that. And then these are what we planted in yesterday. And this one has flowers. It's a little snapdragon, so I saved the seeds. That's one of the ones that I saved the seeds from last year. Did you see this one has flowers? The snapdragon. And this is our grass I wanted to get a close-up. It's overdam featherweed grass. It has like a pink tint to it. Super cute. I think those are supposed to get 6 feet tall. What?
A lot of them did.
Feels like maybe the wind died down or something. So these are foxgloves, and these get pretty tall, so they might need to be staked or something at some point.
This one's broke like.
I think the tops of them are so wobbly, like they need to be out of there. Because they're supposed to do more of a sprawling habit.
Garden.
The lupin looks so healthy. Hopefully they stay that way and don't get aphids. And we're just gonna cut them if they do.
And keep an eye on this new tilled areas. What is this?
I think it might be something. I just left it.
Yeah.
There's
so
3 of them.
Settles, you know, like here, this one.
Maybe I didn't water it. Is this one popping up too then? Oh no, that's old. I just noticed that this one has a little bloom coming too. They're so cute.
This too?
Yep.
Yeah, just keep an eye on what it settles.
What do you mean? What's gonna happen?
Well, you just want to make sure that it keep building it up if it does.
Stop that. You should wear shoes with your nice white socks. Look how healthy that looks. These foxgloves we started pretty early too, like I want to say like 3 months ago, and they look really good. One of the best looking things that we've grown. They look really healthy and sturdy. They have good roots. And then the things about foxgloves too is they reseed themselves. So they're supposed to flower this year and reseed themselves. And so we might not get any next year then. We'll see.
So they bloomed twice.
I can't remember.
And then they were done. Biannual. Biannual.
Such a nerd. Look at how nice that one looks. Do you know what they are, Dad?
Dad?
Huh?
He's doing
Bunny tail.
Dad.
So these are bunny tail grass, and they only get 12 inches across, so I want them a little closer together, and I think they get only 12 to 18 inches high, so they're gonna be pretty short, but I feel like if I put 3 together, it'll look more, make more of a statement, don't you think? And this middle one looks really good and healthy. I didn't think they were gonna work actually, but we ran out of plant tone, so we're using this one that Matt found. He can't find any anywhere. This is probably just as good, right, Dad?
Boy, better than nothing. Right?
Yes.
It's organic, so can't be that bad for it.
There. That's the beginning of my vision. So I put 3 bunny grasses right there, and then 3 right here. We're gonna plant. And I recommend never to use solo cups because they just don't work very good. I mean, that one looks fine, but I think the Snapdragons probably had the hardest time when we used them last year. Ooh, look at that root. So he's just gonna plant those 3 more bunny tail grasses, and then I planted this black-eyed Susan right here because it only gets, I think, like 24 inches high or something, and so just to have like a splotch of yellow right there will be cute. And then I planted another, they're called Rudbeckia too, so Rudbeckia right there, Rudbeckia right there, and then there's an echinacea coneflower there and one there, and then there's 2 foxgloves right there. So the foxgloves like it out in the planted out. And these are our sad looking Snapdragons that I bought from Johnny's Seed, I believe, and they're the Potomac, I think they're butterfly something, and they don't look well. I think that one is probably dead, but I'm gonna let them be and see if they're gonna be okay. And then this one right here has cute little flowers on it. I think this might be from, oh look, it has broken branches. This, I think I saved the seeds, so that's not a tall, super tall one. But those ones are supposed to be. Can't wait. Right, Dad?
Can't wait.
So you just have